Today, I'm going to show you how to remove labels from your Gmail inbox in just a few simple steps. If your inbox is getting cluttered with labels you no longer need, this quick tutorial will help you clean things up and make Gmail feel a lot more organized. And if this video helps you out, don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials just like this. Let's get into it. First, open Gmail in your browser and make sure you're signed in to the correct account. Once you're on your inbox, look up toward the top right corner of the screen and click the settings icon, which looks like a small gear. When the quick settings panel opens, click See All Settings. This will take you to Gmail's full settings page, where you can manage everything from inbox options to labels. Now that you're in the full settings area, click on the Labels tab. This is where Gmail keeps a list of all the labels connected to your account. You'll see labels used for organization, filters, and inbox sorting. Take a moment to scroll through and find the label you want to remove. If you have a lot of labels, this part may take a second, but the list is usually easy to scan once you know what you're looking for. When you find the label, look to the right side of it and click Remove. Gmail may ask you to confirm that you want to remove the label, so go ahead and confirm the action. Once you do that, the label will be removed from your Gmail inbox setup. One important thing to keep in mind is that removing a label from the labels list is different from just hiding it or unchecking it in your inbox view. If you're trying to fully clean up the label system, using the remove option is the right move. If you ever need that label again later, you can always create a new one or adjust your settings depending on how you want Gmail organized. And that's it. You've now learned how to remove labels from Gmail inbox settings in a few easy steps. This is a great way to simplify your email workflow and keep your account more organized. If this tutorial helped, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next Gmail tip. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.